Those are pretty though.
60
girl.
bucks.
Okay. Can you even tell the difference?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get the elephant out of the room. Ready? So, like a year, I think like almost a year now ago, Trisha tweeted like, "Oh my God, Jeffree Star blocked me," and then I logged in one day and I was like, "Oh, I did." I was like, "Fuck!" Like, so long story short, a few years.
It would be a point where we would do that every day. Mind you, I was in a library, got a coconut water. This stuff is so good. Yes. Hit the spot. I was at the library talking dirty to this guy, my boyfriend. Every time I did it, I would have to turn the computer over so nobody would see because they were lined up together. And I was so nervous that somebody would look on my screen, you know?
We had pizza already.
You didn't give me any.
And
You ate the whole thing.
No, you didn't. You didn't give
No,
me any.
you ate the whole
You ate
thing.
it all.
Spratty about it.
I love it.
Thank you.
And it's kind of stuck ever since. What do you guys want to talk about? It seems like you guys have a mind of your own.
What's your favorite baseball team?
Nobody here watches baseball.
Well, we're eating a hot dog. I figured we'd talk about baseball.
I guess the Colorado Rockies, because that's where I reside.
I don't want
Id.
Oh, yeah. Mom, can you give me a fork?
No, I need pizza. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good. Whoa.
My latest upload, it like the caption is like, he almost slipped off a cliff, because literally this guy almost slipped off a cliff in the video, so that's what I captioned it as. So go watch that if you want to see what I did in LA. My birthday was fine, but it also wasn't really that fun. The 4th going into the 5th, which my birthday is on the 5th, super fun. 5th going out of the 6th, which is kind of annoying. My birthday was just kind of annoying. Everyone was getting on my nerves. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't amazing. Like, compared to last year, my birthday was really good last year. But it was still, like, I got to spend it with all the people that I care about, so it's... A lot of my other questions is, what do I use to edit my Instagram?